Breeze through. To do something successfully and easily. How did you finish so fast? I just breezed through it. Simmer down. To calm down. Why is he so quiet now? He needed time to simmer down. Knuckle down. To start working seriously. Are you ready for the exams? I need to knuckle down for my exams. Tear up. To rip something apart. Where's the contract? Sorry, I tore it up. Bottle up. To suppress emotions. Why don't you share your problems? I tend to bottle up my emotions. Boil over. To become uncontrollable. Why did they start yelling? The argument boiled over. Flare up. To worsen suddenly. Why did he leave early? His allergy flared up again. Zone out. To stop paying attention. Did you hear me? Sorry, I zoned out. Hush up. To keep something secret. Why didn't we hear about it? They tried to hush it up. Freak out. To panic. Why did she scream? She started to freak out when she saw a spider in her room. Crack down. To take strong action. Why so many speeding fines? The police are cracking down. Break down. To lose control emotionally. Why was she crying? She broke down after the news. Pipe down. To be quiet. Can you kids stop shouting? Okay, we'll pipe down. Kick back. To relax. What is your plan this weekend? Just kicking back and watching TV. Jazz up. To make something more exciting. Why does your room look different? I jazzed it up with new decor. Own up. To admit responsibility. Who broke the vase? All right, I'll own up. It was me. Play down. To minimize importance. Why did they play down the problem? Because they didn't want to cause panic. Drag out. To make something longer. Why is this meeting so long? They keep dragging it out. Choke up. To become emotional. Why didn't you finish speaking? I choked up a little. Dwell on. To overthink something negative. Why do you look upset? I keep dwelling on it. Snap out of. To recover from a mood. Why are you still sad? I know, I need to snap out of it. Size up. To assess someone or something. Why are you staring at him? I'm just sizing him up. Space out. To lose focus. Why didn't you answer? I just spaced out for a moment. Gloss over. To avoid discussing something. Did they mention the losses? No, they glossed over it. Shake off. To get rid of something. Still sick? I can't shake off this cold. Check in. To register for a flight. Have you checked in yet for your flight? Yes, I checked in online this morning. Check out. To leave the place or finish a process. Did you check out at the hotel? Yes, I checked out earlier today. Take off. When an airplane leaves the ground. What time does your flight take off? It takes off at 3:30 p.m. Land. When an airplane reaches the ground. When will the plane land in New York? The plane will land at 5:45 p.m. Pick up. To collect someone from somewhere. Can you pick me up from the airport? Of course, I will pick you up at arrivals. Drop off. To leave someone at a place. Where should I drop you off at the airport? Please drop me off at the departure terminal. Board. To get onto the plane. When do we board the flight to London? We board in 20 minutes. Wait for. To remain at a place until something or someone arrives. How long do we have to wait for the luggage? We will wait about 15 minutes at the baggage claim. Go through. To pass through a checkpoint or security. Have you gone through security yet? Yes, I have already gone through security. Look for. To search for something. Are you looking for your gate? Yes, I'm trying to find gate 18. Fill out. To complete a form or document. Did you fill out the customs declaration form? Yes, I filled it out before landing. Get off. To exit the airplane after landing. When do we get off the plane? We will get off as soon as the doors open. Settle in. To become comfortable in your seat or place after boarding. Did you settle in after boarding? Yes, I settled in and adjusted my seat. Take out. To remove something like your ID or boarding pass. Did you take out your boarding pass for scanning? Yes, I took it out before heading to security. Go back. To return to a previous point or place. Did you have to go back to the check-in desk? Yes, I forgot to bring my passport. Order in. To have food delivered to your home or office. What should we have for dinner tonight? We decided to order in pizza for dinner tonight. Eat out. To go to a restaurant to have a meal. What do you feel like doing tonight? Let's eat out tonight. I don't feel like cooking. Dig in. To start eating, often said when the food is ready. The food is here. Are you hungry? Let's dig in. Bite into. To take a bite of something, especially something solid or crunchy. What does it feel like when you bite into a fresh apple? It feels crunchy and juicy. Cut back on. To reduce or limit food consumption, often for health reasons. I have been eating out too often. I'm trying to cut back on sugar at restaurants. Serve up. To serve food to customers. Who's serving the main course? The waiter served up the delicious-looking dishes. Finish off. To eat the last portion of a meal or drink. Can you finish off your dessert? I cannot finish off this dessert. It's too big. Throw in. To add something extra, usually for free. Did they add anything extra to your meal? They threw in a free drink with my meal. Pick at. To eat only a little, often because you're not hungry. Why are you not eating much? She was feeling sick and only picked at of food. Go for. To choose a certain dish or option from the menu. What are you going to order? I think I'll go for the steak tonight. Cut up. To slice or chop food into smaller pieces. Can you prepare the salad? Please cut up the vegetables for the salad. Dish out. To serve food to people. Who will serve the soup? The chef dished out the soup to the guests. Fill up. To eat enough to feel full. How are you feeling after lunch? The meal was so good, I filled up quickly. Whip up. To quickly prepare a meal or dish. What are we having for dinner? I'll whip up something simple for dinner. Chow down. To eat, often used informally. Let's grab something to eat. Let's chow down on some burgers. Try on. To put on clothing to see if it fits. Did you try on the dress before buying it? Yes, I tried it on and it fits perfectly. Look for. To search for something. What are you looking for in the store? I'm looking for a new pair of jeans. Put on. To wear clothing or accessories. When are you going to put on that jacket? I'm going to put it on after I finish shopping. Look around. To browse or shop without a particular item in mind. Did you have time to look around the mall? Yes, I looked around and found a great sale. Get by. To manage with limited resources. How do you manage to get by with such a small budget? I get by buying only the Shop around. To compare prices or products in different stores. Did you shop around for a better deal? Yes, I shopped around and found a cheaper price online. If you liked the video, comment down below. Goodbye!